Well, my guys, how are you all? Hope I'll be fine and doing very awesome. Today, I'm going to show you version 5.2, which is recently released in an updated version. This version will give you an arrow before the spike. You just need to place an order with any lot size, and the accuracy of system is very perfect. You can look at my screen. The arrow just appeared. Now it's time to place a trade with 10 lot size. I just open a trade. You can open multiple trades using this system and wait for the spike. The stop loss always 3 candles. Okay, once an arrow appear, open a trade and wait for 3 candles. It will give a spike and you will make awesome profit. For more details, you can check the description, and we also post the signals using this system in our Telegram channel and group. You can find the link in the video description below. And join our group and channel and get the signals free of cost to check the accuracy of this system. And if you want to get a copy of this system, you can chat with our team, which is available to help you to get the copy of the system to check the accuracy. Now this is a live trade we are doing, so you guys can watch and see how the system will give a spike after 3 candles. You can run this system on VPS 24/7 because this system have a push notification for mobile phone. You can use VPS and get alerts on your phone of trades. Boom and crash 300, 1000 and 500, all 6 indexes of a boom and crash. You can use this system. The fakeness is 90% accurate. You can see 98% accuracy of this system. Once it appear, it will never show always spike, but once it show, definitely there will be spike. Okay, so now we are holding this trade. Let's see how come out from this trade. You can open more position, no problem. Now we are waiting for a spike. Once the spike appear, you can hold, you can trail your position and you can close. It's all up to you. Okay guys, this is the last candle of our stop loss. If there is no spike, you're gonna close this trade and we'll wait for new signal. So see guys, here's the big spike. This is the power of the system. That's why we call 3 candles stop loss only. So this is the power of power of the system. Thanks for watching. More questions, check the description, chat with us. We are here to help you. If you have any other query, you can ask. For signal, join our Telegram group and channel. The link is in description. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so you enjoy latest videos, and let's product notification on time. Thanks for watching. Wish you best of luck in trading and best profitable trading. Thank you guys.